Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to create your own Shopify store. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description below to go to Shopify and start creating your store. Click on the button that says Start Free Trial. You will need to enter your email address, create a password. After filling in these details, click on Create Your Store. Shopify will now set up a new store for you, and this process takes a few seconds. Once your store is created, you will answer a few questions about your business. For example, whether you are already selling or just starting out, and what industry your products belong to. Answer these questions or skip them if you want. Next, you will add your address details because Shopify uses this information for your default currency and tax settings. After entering your details, Shopify will redirect to your store. When you are ready to launch your store, click on Online Store, then Preferences. Scroll down and remove the password so your store goes live. Now your Shopify store is ready for customers.